Hi guys, we have tomato rootstock here, which I have started growing a month ago. I am going to use this for grafting my tomato varieties this year. So I have a rootstock which is developed for non-greenhouse use since I'm gonna grow the tomatoes in the backyard. So what I've done is I let the stem grow a little. I let the seedling grow a little and then I cut it right here. Once I cut it, right above the cotyledons, two leader stems start to develop, this one and this one. And my plan is to grow two tomato varieties on one rootstock. So I'm gonna graft one tomato variety on this leader and another tomato variety on this leader. That way, on one plant, I would have two varieties. So today we're gonna go ahead and do that grafting. So I'll be using a razor blade to make the cuts. I'll also be using silicone clips. These are 2mm silicone clips which will hold the graft and the root together. So without further ado, let's make a 60-degree cut on the tomato stem. So just to show you guys, I've made a 60-degree cut on this branch, and I am going to take this tomato plant right here. I'm gonna make a 60-degree cut right there. So I'm gonna remove the excess leaves right there, and this big leaf right there. And I'll use this as my tomato graft. So what we will do is match up the two cuts. If you see, those cuts are matched up. Similarly, we would make a 60-degree cut here. Just like that.